Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable picture-in-picture mode in Firefox browser. Picture-in-picture mode in Firefox browser is a feature that allows you to play video inside a small window, and that video will remain on the top of other apps so that you can do other tasks while watching videos on a small part of the screen. To enable or disable this one feature, first open Firefox browser and then open a new tab and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, you need to select settings option. Under settings, select general in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and you will find here enable picture in picture video controls. You can check or uncheck this one option to enable or disable this one feature. After that, once you have enabled this one feature, open a video in your Firefox browser and hover mouse over your video and you will see picture in picture mode button. Just click on this one button and you will see a pop-up window. Here you can pause or play that video without navigating to that tab. Even you can backward and forward the video, mute the video, unmute the video, or you can enter in full screen mode. In case you want to restore that tab in Firefox browser, just click on this one button that says back to tab. It will automatically open Firefox browser and you will notice that video tab is opened on your Firefox browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, please thumbs up. Bye bye.